Today is 8/12/2026, and it's been like raining all week, and it's supposed to rain till Saturday also. We've been under flash flood warnings and everything here in Newcastle. It's currently 10:19 in the morning. There's been a lot of lightning, thunder, all kinds of stuff going on around here. I'm gonna open the door real quick and show it. Whoa. Ho ho ho. I got it open with my foot. It's raining in here. Oh. Whew. I think I got wet, Jenny. Yeah, it's supposed to do this all week. As soon as I almost as soon as I opened it, it started thundering. Now the floor is all wet. Ho ho. Huh? Yeah, right. Just because you're short don't mean you'll drown in a little bit of water. Oh, well, I just thought I'd show you what's going on here in Newcastle, Indiana. Any last word, old bird?
Yeah, if I go out there to the mailbox up front, I might drown.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Yeah, we're under a flash.
I already said that.
Oh.
About flash flood warning.
11.
Yeah. Well, goodbye.